Okay, it's August 2, whatever, 2021, and I'm just here with this, the heck is this thing? This is a BB40, alright, looks like that. That's a giveaway. That's what it really is. And I have it open on my lap, it's plugged in, and I'm playing the tape to ensure that the tape still rolls along, which it does haltingly. See? Okay. But my biggest issue with this thing is that this has these are just taped up, and this right here, this flat belt, wait, look at the flat belt right there, that would go to this, which is part of the music search deal, which doesn't work. That does light up when you have sound to it, kinda, I think. Let's see here. Wait, which one is the switches? That's there. So there's the radio, and this is the volume. Would you sound better, but I don't want to be selling music, so anyway, so that works. But I'm just so unhappy with this. I could use stronger words, but I'll be nice and just say that. But these wires here are just taped together. These are just taped together. These go to the speakers, and they're not even matching. So even if you wanted to, but here's the main thing is that even if you wanted to get the proper part and wire this up, you can't, because it's all chopped up and there's no proper plug-ins and so on and so forth. The other thing that really gripes me as well is that there's no linkage going from right where my finger is. There's no linkage back here going from the tape deck up to where the recording bar switch would be, which is, where is the darn thing? I mean, here. Trying to do this. See what I do with, well, let me get a different flashlight. See, will this work? Kinda. If I can just kinda, well, I'm doing this handheld. Alright, here, let me point the camera up inside here and get the light. And I can't even see this, but up there somewhere is the little short thing. There it is. It's where is it? It's right there. There it is. There's the recording bar switch thing. See the little phenolic? There's the recording bar switch. But see the lever? There's no lever going to it from the cassette deck. Alright, so that's the whole thing here, is that this thing, the guy, got this, and he, cobbled it together is the best way I could say it. He cobbled it together to make it work with a cassette. But that's it. And so I'm sending it back. Alright, this is my second to last video of this thing. I just wanted to show this like that. No music. I'm not playing any music. Well, I did play some music, but anyway, that's all I want to show. Just, it looks like that. Okay, looks like that. Just make it 4 minutes, and I'm never buying one of these again. I don't care who the hell's got one, and I don't care how cheap it is. It's just, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I did not. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye.